Hello, YouTubers. I urge you to subscribe to my Trading View channel also because I have a Trading View channel there. All right, so all of my forecasts were right. Start last week, of course, we had an event that we have waited for around a month and a half. It was the Fed rate decisions, and despite the fact that the Fed Reserve has cut the rates, but the price didn't go parabolic. Uh, it come nearer to the black line, the black trend line here. I told you about it several videos ago. There is a historical trend line here, the black one. Okay. Yet my forecast was shorting this pair. The price has formed five rising elite waves, followed by a falling, expanding diagonal. It was incompleted. The price went broke the upper band here and went higher, but now it seems like the market is taking it easy and selling to go lower. Me myself, and don't take it as a financial advice. I'm just sharing my thoughts and ideas with you. I'm going to the 61.8 retracement here for this bullish trend. It's 61.8. In addition to that, there is a 100% projection between this trend line here, this orange line, and the orange line here. So if we added the 100% projection with to the 61.8 retracement, we'll find that the price is going to reach that point here around the 1.08, 50, 60, around that area. In addition to that, this might be the E movement for the diagonal, yet the pattern was disrupted, so I'm not going to focus so much on it. Um, on the S&P level, also, usually when the Fed cut rates, the price go parabolic. It went higher, yes, but it didn't go too much higher. It was a normal day for the S&P. Right, let's see the bigger picture for the S&P. I told you that it has here five elite waves. As I can see it, some people may disagree. Some people may say that this is the third wave. It's okay, but I see it like this is number five. The two moving averages are getting narrower. It might be a chance for the market to correct. Look here, the distance was huge. Now it's getting narrowed a little bit. Okay, so this is the bigger image for the S&P. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, what else I would like to show you? There's also something interesting. Aussie USD. Let's go to the weekly. But I don't know if somebody has noticed this before or not, but the Aussie USD here has formed. I don't know, you may call it a descending triangle, a falling wedge. Okay, it depends. If you left it at the candlestick chart, it will be like that. If you change it to line chart, it will be something like a descending triangle. Anyway, the price here is getting in a narrower and narrower. Uh, the distance between the two lines is shrinking, and the price may explode upwards or downwards. Nobody knows if it was a falling wedge. This is going to be a bullish sign. If it's a line chart, okay, it's going to be still also a falling wedge. Anyway, falling wedge insinuates that the price may explode higher. We measure the distance between here and there, and starting from this point upwards. All right. I talked earlier about the Aussie Kiwi. Yes, as I told you that for me this is 580 waves. I saw it like that, and the fifth is still moving. Okay, should remove this. Um, I don't know if wave three is shortest or shorter than wave one or not. I didn't measure it to be honest, but the prices are over the moving averages here. Just a small notice I have occurred to me. Okay, I speak also about the DAX 40. Let's go to the 1 day. Okay, the 1 day chart for the DAX 40 for me it's very bearish. Okay, this is a very bearish chart for me. The price has went under the two moving averages and retested it. It's forming some kind of a strong resistance here. I believe it's going to be bearish if it broke under the previous low here. See here a lower low even, lower high here. If it broke under the previous, if the price went as low as that and broke, maybe I should be cautious a little bit. I'm a very conservative trader, so I'm going to wait until it breaks that level also. Then I'm going to be bearish on that pair. But I may short it from this point downwards. If it break it and close under it, I'm going to be shorting the DAX 40. All right, let's go to the. Okay, but before I forget, let's go to the NVIDIA and have a sneak peek on it. I talked about it earlier. Here are lower lows. Okay, for NVIDIA, the moving averages are shrinking. 1 week, weekly chart. Okay, this is a very good reversal hanging man candle. All right. Um, Very reversal one. If we checked on the monthly, also there is a reversal candle here in the size of candle here. So it's very strong sign for shorting the Nvidia at least until it meets the blue moving average here. Let's check on Microsoft monthly chart. Also, the price failed to reach the previous top of the previous 2 months. This is a dark cloud for August and July. We are in September, so I believe this is going to end lower on the daily level. The price is above the blue moving average. I believe it's if the price broke under the blue line. I'm not going to short directly, but I'm going to wait for the red line because it's very close. But for me, it's like 60% bearish to 40% bullish, at least now, or maybe I'll say 65. And this is me. Do your math before you take your decision. And remember, this is only technical analysis. I didn't show you my fundamental analysis. This is only purely technical. Fundamentals may have different own point of view. This Before I forget, let's look at the Bitcoin. All right, I have noticed also on the Bitcoin, same as the euro dollar. For me, there's some kind between a correlation between Bitcoin and euro dollar. The price has formed. Let's make it weekly. For me, this is 580 waves. Okay, and the price is correcting. This is A. I will take this as B. I can see here that the price has formed also some kind of shooting star or a reversal candle or indecisive candle, but under the low of this candle, I'm going to be short. Um, yes, it's still above the blue moving average, but um, maybe if it broke under the at least for the next week until it meets the blue line, then from there I'm going to decide whether to close the position here or to wait until the two moving averages meet. So I'm shorting until the and taking profit at the blue line here at this point one, let's say 110. Okay, it's a very good profit for me. So on the daily level, okay, the two moving averages are dancing together, and we will see. But anyway, I'm going to maybe I will wait until the price closes under the two moving averages here in the 14 13 level. Then I will decide from there. Let's see the Ethereum to see. Okay. Ethereum, I told you earlier there was a different chart, but not this one. I told you that there was some kind of symmetric triangle on the bigger scale, and once the price breaks above it, it's going to go parabolic. That happened. Yes, here it was a trend line here, and it crosses over the line and keep moving upwards. But for me, I'm not touching the Ethereum at this level or at this point, whether if long-term trader or short-term trader. I'm not going to. Well, it seems like it wants to reverse. All right, from this point. So I'm not touching the Ethereum. That's it for this week. Don't forget to subscribe because you are going to learn a lot from this channel. And thank you very much for watching.